guys, my name is Allison and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning back in. I know it's been a really long time and I apologize, but you know, life happens sometimes. I moved, so welcome to the new corner of Pause Let's Chat. This is my new studio, but I'm not done yet, so you just get to see this corner for now. Soon you'll get to see the rest of the room and it's awesome and I can't wait. But let's go ahead and get into today's video. We are going to be talking about the new Andis Pulse ZR2 Flora. I'm super excited. We're just gonna unbox it together. My first impression. I'm excited. All right, I got you all up close here. So I got a ring light and I hope it doesn't affect, I see it's got like some reflection there, but we're just gonna get this thing out of the box. So first impression of the box. I don't even need the scissors. It has a real nice hard case. Like I feel like I can safely travel with this if I need to fly with my clippers. I could maybe put some shears in here. Whoa. Okay, open when it's laid down, or else your clippers will slide around. All right, let me adjust the camera view so we can see what's going on here. Okay, we are good to go now. So this is the inside. As you can tell, I haven't opened anything. We've got the glorious clipper packaged up, and it all has its own slots. So we've got a clipper slot here. It looks like this goes there. We've got the charger, the docking station, everything that you can expect to see when it comes to this clipper. So let's see what this is here. Power. Okay, so this has a little instructions on the power button and stuff. We don't need that. Very familiar with how this works, so we're just gonna take that on off. Now this looks really pretty. I mean, this honestly just makes me happy to go to work and pick up my tool and start working. It's not your typical boring clipper that we're used to, your solid black. Now it does look like this is a kind of, I don't want to say a sticker, but it is an applique onto the clipper. The clipper is not printed this color, so I'll be interested to see how well this holds up, but I'm super excited. First impressions, really impressed. It does come with a 10 blade, so we all know how these pop off here. So it comes with your Andis ceramic edge 10 blade, and that's always nice. I know I need them constantly. Let's see if it comes with any charge. Oh, yeah. We've got some charge in there. Honestly, this is so nice and quiet. I love it. And we do have some lights on here, so it does indicate to me that it doesn't seem to be fully charged due to the yellow of the light, but that it does at least have some battery power in it. So that's awesome. We do have the docking station here. So it is just your typical plug-in docking station. So that's really nice. I love just being able to walk off, plug it in, and come back. So the docking station has the Andis name on it. It's got little grips on the bottom, so it's hopefully not going to slide around on your station. And your charger plugs right into here. This goes into the wall. You're good to go. Super easy to travel with. It looks like it does come with an extra blade drive, so that's awesome. You have one ready to go in your case. I love that it comes with a case because I don't know about you guys, but I travel with my clippers all the time. So the fact that this clipper comes with a whole case for everything ready to go, is really one of the first things that got me. All right, so let's take this battery off, huh? We do have a little push in here, comes right on out. So there's what this looks like. So you can buy multiple batteries, I'm assuming, so you don't have to wait on your clipper to charge. It does only come with the one, so that's how that works. Pretty easy to put back in and pop out. This adjusts your speed, so that's really nice. Honestly, I just can't get over the color of this. Let's see, there we go. My phone keeps wanting to adjust. I just seriously cannot get over the coloring on the Flora pattern of this clipper. I just need to take more time to appreciate this. I really love it. And I'm not one for bright things. I typically like all my tools to just be solid, but I am really excited about this pattern for sure. And I love the whole setup. So let's see what's over here. I guess if you don't know how the Andis clipper works, it does seem to come with some instructions. And I'm pretty sure we can just pop this back in here and easily pack up. We're ready to go. So first impressions, the packaging is really nice and probably one of the best. The clipper is lovely. Everything arrived in a timely manner. And this is amazing. I do want to read to you all the back of this because it talks a little bit about the clipper in general. So this is the Pulse ZR2 Flora, and it is a rechargeable cordless lithium ion clipper. It does recharge. We talked about that. It will stay charged for 3 hours. It has a runtime of 3 hours on one full charge. It comes with a 10 blade. It can pair with any blades from any brand. So if you aren't using Andis blades, you can still use this clipper. It does have 5 speeds with a range of 2,500 to 4,500 strokes per minute. That is a lot. And if you know anything about grooming, that's important. You need different speeds for different things. So I really enjoy that this clipper has 5 speeds. A lot of clippers only have 2 speeds. So that might be something that you want to look into. Overall, really happy. Let's see if there's anything on the front. No, I talked about all that. Detachable blades, so you can put whatever you want on it. I love that that's the outside and this is the inside. Like, you just get a whole traveling case, so I love it. Hope y'all enjoy this short little video. It feels good to be back and talking with you all. So I'm sorry I've been so MIA, but I'm ready to get back on track. So I will talk to you guys soon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you appreciate these videos I do for you guys in my free time. I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and that like button so I know what you all want to watch, what you don't want to watch, what you're enjoying at home. And make sure to follow me on Instagram at Animal Arts by Allison. You can find me there for any questions or concerns you all have about anything with the videos. And until then, bye guys.